Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner. For our English lesson today, we are going to be working on Where Are You From? Let's go ahead and get started. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from New York, or I am from Florida.
I am from New York.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Guatemala.
I am from Guatemala.
And where are you from?
And where are you from?
I am from Estonia.
I am from Estonia.
And you?
And you?
I am from Lebanon.
I am from Lebanon.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from
I am
Nicaragua.
from Nicaragua.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from.
I am from Mexico.
And where are you from?
And where are you from?
I am from Mexico too. I from Mexico too. It's going to be this one.
I am from Mexico too.
And you?
And you?
I am from North Carolina. I is from North Carolina. It is this one.
I am from North Carolina.
We have to pull it and match it. Looking at all the flags of where everyone's
Not bad.
from.
Keep your
Let's go ahead and practice.
W W H E R E
Where?
Where? A R E
R.
R Y O U U F
Or R.
R O M From Where?
W H E R E
R
A R E
U
Y O U
From
P F R O M.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Yemen. I am from Yemen.
I am from Yemen.
I am from the Philippines.
I am from the Philippines.
Where are you from?
Where are you from? Thank you for joining me for our next English lesson. Where are you from? If you do like these videos and you think that they're helping, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. I'm Mr. Turner, bringing you English lessons each week on Turner's Tutoring. Have a great day.